Welcome to Seed to Life. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. In my last video, we saw how to germinate Parijat seeds successfully. We also saw the plant information and growing conditions. Today's video is about the history of Parijat. I have already shared some interesting ancient history of saffron, lychees, eggplants, black seeds. From this video onwards, I am planning to make history videos separate because some of you might be interested only in growing plants. In this video, I am going to share with you mythological stories associated with coral jasmine or Parijat or her Singhar plant. I will also briefly discuss the medicinal benefits of the Parijat plant. So let's begin. The story is like this. Once there was a war between the Hindu gods called as Devas and demons that are Asuras. The war resulted in churning of the ocean of milk. As a result of this process came out 14 precious things called as Ratnas. Some of these things were very interesting. The nectar of immortality called as Amruta, various divine nymphs, a cow that grants wishes, a white elephant Airavat, the divine seven-headed horse, the divine jewel, a powerful bow, and among these precious things was our beautiful Parijat tree. So it is considered that special. This special tree was then planted in the garden of the king of Hindu gods, Indra. Many of you might have heard about Krishna. He is also one of the gods, and Krishna also wanted that tree. After an unpleasant encounter between these two gods, finally Krishna got that tree on the earth. The story doesn't end here. When he got the tree down on the earth, both Krishna's wife Satyabhama and Rukmini wanted Parijat tree in their own garden. Krishna smartly used a trick and planted it in Satyabhama's garden, but the flowers fell in the second wife Rukmini's garden. And that's how the matter was finally resolved. That was a long battle over a single tree. It's just a glimpse of what will happen if trees are not there in the world. I'm happy that in today's world we don't have to depend on the single divine tree. We can grow our own happiness using seeds and cuttings of our choice. And they are easily available, that too locally. So we are going to make ourselves happy and grow more trees. Is it just the beauty of these flowers that make them special? No. Parijat has many medicinal benefits as well. Many researchers are exploring its uses as a fever medication, cure for digestive problems, medicine for a bacterial and fungal infection, and its obvious use as fragrant flower oil and stains. Various parts of the plant, root, bark, and the leaves are medicinally useful. The leaves are bitter tasting and the juice is used to treat the intestinal worms. And externally, the paste of the leaves is used to treat fungal infections. Decoction of the roots is used for the treatment of enlarged spleen. Flower decoction is used to treat the gout. It is amazing how in various ancient literature from different countries and religions, importance of many plants is acknowledged. It is true that the love and respect for the nature is universal. A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos. And feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.